Student, now look, we are going to solve that. Exercise 6.5, question number 11, class 10, general maths. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another plane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So students, let's have a look how to solve this one. It is clear that from the same airport, one plane flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour, and the second plane flies due west at a speed of 120 km per hour. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 11. Student, as you can see in the video, question number 11, there is a diagram. The plane, the first one, flies from the airport towards the north, and the speed for the first one is 1000 km per hour, and the second plane towards the west from the same airport, and the speed is 1200 km per hour. Now the question is actually, after 1.5 hours, how far they will go, or what is the distance between these two planes after 1.5 hours? So student, look here now. This is the point where the plane is actually the first one named A. There is the point B where the second plane is actually, and we need to find out the distance between these two, A, B only. As you can see, this is the navigation east, west, north, south, and as the navigation is, as you can see, it is vertically to each other. So vertical means right angle, obviously. If right angle, then obviously we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So now look here student, how to solve this one. We need to find out the distance between A, B only. Student, now look here. Distance of this aeroplane leaving the airport and flying due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour after 1.5 hours equal to OA. Now look student, this OA, A is the position where the plane is actually after 1.5 hours, and OA is the total distance covered by the first plane towards the north direction after 1.5 hours. Now look, 1000 into 1.5 hours. How? Look, speed equal to distance by time, but here we need to find out the distance. That's why distance equal to speed into time. Now distance is, speed is 1000 km per hour and the time is 1.5. So after calculating 1500 km, this is the distance between OA. That's why I have written here OA, the first one. Now look the second one. Student, now look here. The second part, distance of the aeroplane leaving the airport and flying due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour after 1.5 hours equal to OB. Now look, what is this portion actually? Into the diagram, look here students. From the airport O, the second plane towards the west, and OB is the distance, which means the B is the position where the second plane is actually after 1.5 hours, and the speed is actually 1200 km per hour, and after 1.5 hours the distance of OB, this was OA, the distance of OA is 1500 km and OB equal to 1800 km distance. Look here students, 1200 into 1.5. But how this one? Using the same formula, speed equal to distance by time, but here we need to find out distance equal to speed into time. So this is the distance actually, OB equals speed into time, 1800 km. Now look student, we have got OB and OA. Now we can find out AB, the distance between the two planes. So let's have a look how to solve this one by using the Pythagoras theorem. Look student, now in triangle AOB, here AB square, AB is the distance, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Now look student, this is in triangle AOB, angle O, if I write an angle O equal to 90 degree, which means in the diagram we have noticed that O is the airport from the point actually. Now look, AOB, then AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. AB square is equal to the hypotenuse, which means we have to find out the distance between AB only, between the two plane. So value of OA is 1500 whole square, and OB is 1800 whole square. Now look student, 15 square is 225. Repeat again, 15 square is 225. There is 20 into 2, which means 4. 1 2 3 4. I repeat again, 15 square 225. 20 into 2 means 4 zeros. 18 square is 324. Then 20 into 2, which means 1 2 3 4. Now if we add this, answer would be here 549. Then 0 0 0 0. If you add all this, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 2 4, and 3 plus 2 5. This is kilometer square. This is equal to AB square. Now student, look here. After that, if I want to remove the square from the LHS, means the left hand side, so there will be root 549, then 1 2 3 4 kilometer square. Now look, after that there is root over 61 into 9, 0 0 0 and 0, 4 zeros. Students, already I have done this portion in the rough page. So, and a square root cancel kilometer, so this could be here km. And now look here students, this is root over 61 and there is root over 90,000 and kilometer will be outside. Now look here, after that 300 square, actually 3 square is 9, there is 61 into 3 square is 9, and if there is 20, square root cancel kilometer. Now square root cancel, there is AB equal to 300 root over 61 kilometer. So students, the last line will be here like this, as the distance between the two planes will be 300 root over 61 kilometer. We can find out the value of root 61, but if we find out the value of root 61, then the value will be in the decimal point. Then if we multiply 300 into the value of root 61, we'll get the actual distance. Okay, whatever may be, two planes will be 300 root over 61 kilometer apart after 1.5 hours. This is the answer of question number 11.